StepSkooter was created with ease of use in mind. The pedals of the StepSkooter work in a natural vertical stepping motion, just like walking upstairs or using a stepping machine, so it's easy for everyone to ride.
Seeing so many of my friends, kids and relatives struggling with weight issues made me start thinking, what if I create something that is fun, safe, easy to ride, and most of all, affordable?
Unlike other pedal scooters, our pedals are uniquely designed to be parallel to the ground, which not only promotes better posture, but also lets riders easily step in that vertical motion without ever being off balance. Another unique feature of the StepSkooter is that it has an interchangeable wheel system, a way of growing with younger riders as they do. This allows riders of any age to increase the speed of the ride to custom suit their preference. If you're looking to get cardio exercise but don't have the time to take a ride around the neighborhood, StepSkooter can be used in place at any time. With our available stationary support, you have a stepper that you can use anywhere, at a fraction of the cost of a full-size stepping machine. Since it's lightweight, foldable, and portable, you can take StepSkooter wherever you go.
As you can see, hundreds of parts have already been made and dozens of prototypes have already been built. With your support in reaching our funding goal, we can make final refinements to the design and get into mass production and distribution.
Because we're so thankful for your contribution, we're offering various perks for supporting the campaign, including product add-ons and website recognition. With your help, we know StepSkooter can change lives by bringing fun to fitness. Thank you for helping us make StepSkooter the next big craze.
We have big dreams for StepSkooter. We see it being in every household, and we want yours to be the first. Thank you for helping us make StepSkooter come to life.
StepSkooter. Easy, fun, fit. To make a contribution and support our campaign, visit Kickstarter.com and search for StepSkooter.